Welcome to IndiaPulse at ISB. April 15th, today's edition, we are looking at Tamil Nadu State Pulse again, but today we are looking at district level metrics. Now, many investors, when they want to invest, they want to know where to go, which district they should invest in, and they want to know the level of infrastructure. Now, what does infrastructure mean? It could mean railways, number of banks, ATMs, health centers. So today's dashboard gives you that information. For example, suppose you want to know where the power lines are. Okay, so I'm going to click on power lines and now it shows you and you can actually see it close up where the power lines are. Okay, that might be useful information. Suppose you want to know what the water availability is. So let me go on water status and this shows you what the water status is. Red line, red area shows that water situation is critical. Green shows that it's pretty good. Now, you might want to say, okay, there is the saying that in Tamil Nadu, the southern districts are less developed than the northern districts. Is it really true? What matters for this? We would like our researchers to take a critical look at this because we are giving this information for all kinds of information like health centers, for example. Okay, how many health centers are there? If I go in, you will be beginning to see how many health centers are in different parts of different districts. But if you go down, for each district, you can see on this dashboard how these different variables that we think matter are showing up. And if you go down further, we show you for each district, each pair of infrastructure, the number of airports, for example, the national highways, how many kilometers of national highways are there, state highways and railways, power lines, canals, ATMs, banks, and what have you. So you decide, we invite researchers, you decide what matters for development and see if there is a link between what matters and some of these characteristics. So this dashboard gives you all the relevant characteristics, but you decide what matters. Is it power? Is it highways? Is it banks? And that may differ from investor to investor. It may differ from policymaker to policymaker. It may make a difference to whether you are a World Bank or other such organizations. So we invite you to come and play with this dashboard in a very detailed district by district information. So welcome again. District level metrics for Tamil Nadu, and we would be happy to make similar dashboard for other states if they would share this data with us. Thank you. Watch out for India Pulse at ISB next week.